I am the founder and CEO of FPBulls. Guys, FPBulls is the go-to place when it comes to foreign exchange. Let me tell you how we do the profits in it. Forex is an over-the-counter market for trading different currencies. Guys, it is the largest financial market in the world, made up of banks, commercial ventures, investment firms, and a lot of more like this. So, is a marketplace of $2.4 quadrillion, and it can only be handled by the experts. I say it's not a piece of cake for a newbie to lay hands without burning it. So our experience, our experts, and our desire to go big and deep down the roots and our hard work is what the outcomes is. FPBulls. So we started the drive. It was always in my mind to own a great big company and to give ease of trading to all people who wish to put in their efforts of interest in Forex and investments. So here we are performing our everyday task of building a convenient ambience of investments and profits. So if you got some information about how we're going to perform and transform in the next coming years, then why wait? We are open. So I'll be in touch, and the goal is big. Take care, guys.
Welcome to FPBulls. I'm Tom, and I do the profits for you. Precisely, I have my experience of 6 years, and I never wanted to give away my profit of experience to someone else. We have made some strategies and segregations of works and management. So likewise, I take care of all the trade sections. We will be sharing a lot in the coming videos about business, strategies, new updates, and trades.
Most of the technical teams and financial sections in the office are just for the numbers. They are always busy looking at the screen and checking up the trades. And have to, because their dedication is important and that's what keeps us going. I'm taking care of HR and administration zone, and I'm trying to develop more support zones for the users, so we are going to be a big exposure for people who wants to get educated and make wealth through forex and businesses.
I'm the head of the trading section. I've met Mr. Tom a long time ago, and I ended up being in good hands now. So basically, FPBulls it's a lot bigger than most people think, because we do the numbers and we know which way. So, while looking for profits, major mistake, people interact with loss because they don't have a trade plan. So, just buying and selling on a hunch will lead you to loss. Thus, it takes a proper trade plan to brew the fruits of trading. Likewise, money managing, stop loss trades function, and some more points where people go wrong and end up being broken. We have covered all. When we say we have the expertise in this, we literally mean it. Welcome again to FPBulls.
I'm Lisa, and I do the marketing part. Everything is mostly digital marketing these days, but we believe in physical marketing and power of mouth work. Everything has been great, and we are here with a big goal. As to how Mr. Owen mentioned, we aim to be a global acceptance business in the coming years. Welcome to FPBulls.
Trading doesn't just reveal your character, it also builds it if you stay in the game long enough. This is your chance to give a huge turn of your life. Financial freedom is just around the corner. Don't hesitate and build the fortune of your dreams.